ready for my order. Chef, ready for my order. Welcome back to Royal Playtime.
Hello, Royal. What are you going to do in your video today?
I'm going to be cooking up some fabulous dinner.
A fabulous dinner. Yes, you are. And you are a chef. And your restaurant is called Royal's Restaurant. And your chef hat. You're wearing a chef hat.
Yes,
It says Royal's Playtime on
and
it.
say Royal is a chef.
Yes, Royal Chef.
Royal chef.
And you guys, this is Royal's Kidkraft kitchen set. And she does have a previous video with this kitchen set making some cupcakes. So check that out too.
Yeah, I make cupcakes with all of these things, but not with the fruit.
So you have some fruit washing in the sink?
Yeah, I got grape.
Ooh.
They're perishable, but they're actually black. So you know it is purple, but they're actually black. So.
Oh, they're like a dark purple.
But these are really purple because you see the different size. My fruit is growing.
Wow. Is it organic? That means it's fresh.
Yes.
And healthy.
Yeah, so I got all these out of the garden.
Out of the garden?
Yeah, out of the garden. Because you know they do great things. And these are my green grapes. They're fresh out the garden. Wash them off. So that's why I'm washing them off. Bananas.
Ooh.
And I forgot what this is called.
I think that's an eggplant.
Yeah, I think that's the eggplant. And this is like yummy lettuce.
Lettuce, yeah.
And who doesn't like broccoli or something?
Broccoli.
And I got potatoes.
Mmm.
And I got hot sauce. And I got corn. I got mustard. And I got all kinds of cheeses and 2 microwaves.
This is going to be a great day at your restaurant, right?
Yes, it's going to be a perfect day. And I got some pizza and onion.
Ooh, pizza.
And a slice of apple. That's healthy too. I should grab that too.
Nothing like a baked apple, right?
Yeah. Okay, so now I have lots of vegetables.
So you're getting ready to open up your restaurant for the day.
Yes.
And today, Royal is going to have a special guest come to her restaurant.
Yes, I'm going to have a fabulous lady come over.
And you know what? I think she's going to be calling you soon. She's going to be giving you a call really soon. So just stay by the phone just in case you get some customers calling in, okay?
Yeah, okay.
All right. Bring, bring, bring.
Hello, Royal Chef speaking. All right. I don't know what to eat.
There was this fabulous woman in town. She goes by the name of Bridget. And Bridget is here visiting from Hollywood. And she has very, very high expectations. Someone told her about a wonderful restaurant called Chef Royal's Place.
Yes, Chef Royal Place.
And she's going to go in her fabulous purse she has there.
Yes, and I got my cell phone if I need to go to the restaurant.
And she's going to call and make a reservation.
Yep, and stay tuned. Hi there, I'm going to make a reservation. Sure, okay. I'll be there 5 minutes. See you then. Make sure the food is good. Bye. Okay, bye. I'm going to go to the restaurant. I hope I like it. I'm starving. I think we had a new guest.
Ooh, did someone make reservations?
Yes, I made a reservation.
Wow.
I can't wait for they come.
Yes, you have the best restaurant in town.
Yes, everyone loves this food.
And you're such a great people person. Even when people are nice or mean, you're always pleasant. And they always walk away happy because they love your food, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I think she'll be on her way soon.
Yeah, we're just gonna wait here, and I'm near to cut this thing off. Hi, I'm Chef Royal. You must be Bridget. I am the wonderful Bridget. Welcome to my restaurant. It's lovely and so sparkly. Have a seat right here. Okay, I will have a steak gonna have you time so you can see what you're gonna order, okay? Oh, great. I'll look it over. This looks interesting. I'm so hungry. What should I eat? What should I eat? Maybe I'll have some steak and I'll have some broccoli. And some soda. I think that's what I ordered. Maybe I'll have some grapes, purple, green. They better be sweet. Chef, I'm ready for my order. Chef, I'm ready for my order. Come take my order now because I'm hungry. Just a minute. You ready to order?
Yes, I looked over your menu and I am finally ready to order, and I just hope the food is delicious. Let me know when you're ready and I'm going to tell you exactly what I want. Okay. Are you ready to write my order down? Are you prepared?
Yes, I'm prepared.
Okay, so I see on the menu you have steak. Okay, I want my steak well done.
Okay, steak.
Yeah, and I also want some broccoli. And I'd like a baked potato with cheese and sour cream. I want some grapes, but just not any old grapes. I want green grapes, and I want purple grapes too. Can you do that, Chef Royal? Okay. And I also like a special drink. Yes, how did you know? I want a strawberry soda. Okay. All right, and then for dessert, I'd like some ice cream with a brownie.
What about donuts?
No, I don't eat donuts, honey. We don't do donuts in Hollywood where I'm from. And I like a clean fork and a knife. A nice napkin to wipe my fingertips with. And I think that's it. And can you please not take all day long?
I'll take very quick.
Okay, wonderful. I can't wait. I'm starving. Okay. I'll be waiting for you. Bye-bye.
This is going to be amazing. Let me hurry up and get started. She said broccoli, so I got it. I can do it. Pick up the spoon.
Royal. Chef Royal.
Yes?
I just must say it smells delicious.
Thank you.
I'm so hungry. My mouth is just watering from the smell. And Royal, Chef Royal,
Yes.
can you do me a favor? My mouth is so dry. I'm so parched. Can I have a bottle of water?
Yeah.
Your finest spring water.
Here you
Ooh, thank you.
go. Would you like a cup to pour in?
Yes, if you have one. Okay. You know what? I'm a big girl. I don't need a cup. I don't really do cups. I just drink out of champagne glasses and fine crystal. So if it's just a cup, I don't want it. I'll just drink out of the bottle, okay? All right. And Royal was doing her best, cooking up the best meal she possibly could for this difficult customer all the way from Hollywood, California. She may have been a bit snobby, but it didn't keep Royal from being nice to her and courteous to her. She's making this food and she's putting her tender, loving care into it. Meanwhile, Bridget grew pretty impatient. Royal!
Yes.
Royal!
Yes.
Is the food ready?
Chef, I'm ready for my order. Chef, I'm ready for my order. Your first piece is ready, but
Yeah, bring me an appetizer or something.
So here's your first one.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
But I want to cook more. So.
Okay, hurry it up, please.
Okay.
So far, Bridget has a wonderful baked potato. She has steak, very tender, well done, and lovely broccoli with cheese on it. And she's going to start eating that, and she's just so pleased. Royal is continuing to finish the rest of this wonderful meal.
Now I'm going to bring her, bring Bridget some grapes. Bridget, here is your dessert.
Oh, finally, my grapes are here.
They're yummy and sweet, lots of sugar and sugar.
Oh, yes, natural sugar. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this.
Would you like some hot sauce?
Absolutely, honey.
And some mustard.
Wow, this place is more fabulous and classy than I ever expected.
There you go. I have more if you want some more on your food.
Oh, you're so pleasant. You're such a breath of fresh air, Chef Royal. Bring me more. Bring me more.
So, ice cold strawberry Coke. She's gonna love it. Let me pop it for her. Okay, here's your nice strawberry soda drink.
Oh, strawberry Coke, and it's nice and icy and cold just the way I like it.
Yes, I'm a genius.
You know what? You are a genius, and I think this is going to be my favorite restaurant. I'm going to go back to Hollywood and tell everyone my wonderful experience here.
Did you ask for dessert?
Oh, absolutely. Don't forget, I want a brownie with ice cream.
Okay, so would you like strawberry?
Absolutely.
So here's your strawberry ice cream.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Or you want to sit on this plate?
Oh, just go ahead and sit it down.
Okay. So now we get a brownie.
I'm almost done. You can bring me my bill so I can pay you. I don't care how much it costs.
Here you go. I got you an ice cream sandwich. Did you like it?
Yummy. I'm going to give you the biggest tip ever.
Oh, thank you. I love that. So I'm going to put this on top and...
This is supreme service, you know?
Yes.
Maybe you should open up a restaurant in Hollywood, Royal.
Of course I would, so all the people will know.
Yes, because this is a celebrity red carpet type of service.
Yes, I always let out the red carpet. For people, if they can't see, I'll let out the red carpet.
Thank you, and as you can see, red is my favorite color. You see my hair and my jacket.
Will you like a caramel apple?
Oh my gosh, you're spoiling me. I'm going to be so fat. Yeah, just give it to me.
Yeah, I know you'll be so fat, but yeah, you will like it. So, is that all, or you want more?
Oh no, I'm stuffed. I'm a stuffed turkey now.
Okay, so tell me if you want anything else. I'll just be right over here, and I'll see if you like the food, and I'll just be right here.
You're so incredible. You're so incredible. No, you can just ring me out, and the rest I'll just have a to-go box, okay?
Okay, so I'll give you a box to carry everything in.
Thank you.
So you don't have to carry it. Okay. Okay, got my carry box. Now I'm going to box all your food up. And I'll open it up for you. See how you feel. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to get your ice cream right here.
Now this is what I call service. And ring me out. Let me know how much everything costs.
See, you can keep one of these bottles. That's in case you don't have enough at Hollywood.
Oh, you're such a sweetie pie.
So what one you want to keep?
Just give me the yellow one.
Okay. I'll give you this one just in case you don't have hot sauce there. Open it up. There you go. Here is your box, and I'll just bring my cash register over.
Yes, just ring me out.
Take these plates, put them in the dishwasher.
You're so professional.
Okay, so now I'm gonna bring you out for this. Let's see. $75.
Oh, that's no problem at all. That's so affordable.
So,
Okay, here's $500. And just keep the change because you know what? I just want to tell you something.
what?
I wasn't that nice to you. I was rude when I came into your restaurant and I was rushing you to take my order and you were still nice and pleasant. You still smiled. You still smelled good. You still had nice white shiny teeth. And I'm just so appreciative. And you deserve more. Is that okay?
Okay, so let's look at if I have food back. So you can see.
No. I don't want your change. Keep it all.
Okay,
You deserve it.
thank you now. Now all you can do, you can take your food.
Yes,
Hollywood,
yes. I haven't had food this good in a decade.
And
I'm going to tell all the Hollywood fashionistas where to come when they come here.
do you have some friends fashionistas look just like you?
Yeah, I have all fabulous friends. They're just fabulous like me, but they're not as fabulous as me, of course. Like, I'm the top dog of fabulosity. But, you know, you get my drift, don't you, Royal?
Yes?
Like, I'm sure you have some chef friends, but they're not as chefy as you are. You're the best chef of all your friends, right?
Yeah, so, okay.
All right, so I'm going to go. I got to hop on my private jet. I'm going to get back to Hollywood, but I just want to thank you. I want to thank you so much. Give me a hug.
Okay.
Give me a hug. Oh, yes, I love you, and I'm going to come here again, okay?
Okay, so next time when you come, you should get the black grapes. See, I got black grapes. You want
Oh,
that?
black grapes. Oh, with the kind with the seeds in them. Oh, sure.
Next
You
time
just have it all here, don't you?
Yes. So next time when you come, you can have more healthy things to eat.
Wonderful. All right, well, I have to go, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Ta-ta.
So do you have an airport to get to Hollywood?
Yes. I have to get to the airport, okay?
Okay, have a nice flight.
Okay, thanks. You too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Let me clean up the kitchen now. Bye. Subscribe. Bye.
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 Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Like, share, and
Go to the
subscribe.
airport. Bye.
Love you. Hollywood.
Mwah.